Our last letter in this family is the letter D. And again, it uses the C to help us. You always start all of these letters with the letter C. Let's have a go and see how it's formed. So the D, first of all, I create my C. But this time I do like an A, but I go all the way up and then come straight back down and make a tail. What you've got to be careful of when you come back down is that you don't do this. You shouldn't see two lines. You should be coming down the same line. Let's have another go and then you can have a go with me. I do my C, go straight up, and then make that tail. Pop your finger pencil in the air and have a go with me. So I do my C, come all the way round, go all the way up, and down the same line and add a tail. So how does this look with some words? I'm going to do the word sad, and hopefully none of you are sad doing your handwriting, but let's have a go. So I'm going to do my S, I'm going to do my A, I'm going to do my D, so I do my C to start with, and I do all the way up and add a tail at the end. Do it with me, pop your finger pencil in the air, and let's have a go together. So we'll do S, A, D. Well done. Let's have a look at another word. What about the date? We write the date every day. So I start with my D. I then do my A. I do my T, but I don't cross it yet. And my E, and then cross the T at the end. So how does this look with no handwriting lines then? Well, let's try the word said. We use that a lot in our stories. So I do my S, A, I, D. And you can see there, my D is clearly a tall letter. It's taller than the dot of the I, but my S, my A, and the circle of my D and the I are all the same height. That's really important. What about the lid? Like on the lid of your packed lunch. So I do my L, straight down with the L, I, and D. I can see I've got my tall L and my tall D, and my circle in my D and my I is the same height. So now it's your turn to have a go in your handwriting book.